Does everybody understand this is what mentoring is? This is not about the perfect. Well, Pete, do you use simple moving averages or exponential? That's not the point. The point is, can you come up with good trade ideas and make money when you got them? Can you not lose money when it's a tougher condition? How many people have ended a day where you say to yourself, that was the best $300 I've ever lost because I recognized the conditions were tough and I didn't push it? How many people can do that right now? Excellent. That's where you want to get to. Now, the next step for you, which we will walk you through when you work with us, is making money when you have a good day. Because I'm going to tell you right now, a lot of people in this room still don't understand probabilities. I'm going to cover this in 2 seconds. When you're a new trader, it bothers you when every single individual trade doesn't work out, and the individual losses, and the individual thing you learned didn't follow through. When you get to the next point, which I want you to get through when you work with me, it should bother you more when you don't make $3,000 because you only made $1,000. You have to have some caterings in there while your business is making all those egg sandwiches. You have to pay the bills with the trades when the expectation's a little bit lower, and when it lines up, you bring in the big money. But you have to understand the conditions to do that. That's in game planning. How many people here take more than an hour to game plan? Too long. And I'm going to tell you why. Unless you are extraordinarily well funded and it takes you more than an hour, you're looking at too many ideas. Cut your ideas down so you are game planning. This is what I'm looking for, and if I don't see this, I'm not doing anything. If it does, then you allocate it to a certain amount of ideas. You must run your business to match your resources. And what are your resources? Your skills, your experience, and your capital, and the amount of time you can sit in front of a machine. All of those things have to go into which stocks you're trading, how much volatility, and how much time you plan on holding them. But I'm going to tell you right now, out of everybody in this room who I'm sure at this point knows how to look at a chart, you don't learn how to trade just by being the best technical analyst on the planet. You have to get behind the car, behind the wheel, and drive the car, and drive it in different conditions, and then be able to ask somebody, Pete, I see the TIX is doing this, I see the VIX is doing that, I see those 3 stocks are doing that. What do you think about this stock? I think the stock's definitely along, but it's not along right now because you have to risk a quarter to make a quarter. You're going to be a break-even trader. Let's wait on that trade until it gets up to yesterday's high. If it flags at yesterday's high and it does it on light volume and the VIX comes down, the TIX start to push up and the market is well bid, then we start to push it. All of these things go into every trading decision. This is what you need to learn if you are not achieving what you want to achieve right now.